No boyfriend, no problem. Did you know some animals have completely ditched dating and just clone themselves instead? They create perfect genetic copies, no partner required. Today we're diving into the wild world of 10 creatures that have mastered the art of self-reproduction. First up, the Whiptail Lizard. This is an all-female species. They literally don't have males, and they reproduce entirely by cloning themselves. It's like a real-life Amazonian tribe, but for lizards. Then there's the mighty Komodo Dragon. You might think these giants are all brute force, but scientists were stunned to discover virgin births. A female in a zoo with no male contact laid eggs that hatched into healthy baby dragons. This process is called parthenogenesis, and its wild, hammerhead sharks have also been caught doing it. A female hammerhead in a Nebraska aquarium gave birth without ever mating, marking the first documented case in sharks. It turns out when you can't find a date, sometimes you just have to do it yourself. Speaking of which, meet the stick insect. These masters of camouflage can go for generations just cloning themselves. A female lays unfertilized eggs that hatch into more females, creating an endless lineage of clones. But what about something a little smaller? Aphids, those tiny bugs on your garden plants, are cloning machines. They give live birth to genetically identical daughters, and they do it fast. When life gets tough though, they'll switch back to sexual reproduction to mix up the gene pool for better survival. Then there are the Bdelloid Rotifers. These microscopic animals are a true mystery. Scientists have studied them for ages and have never ever found a male. They've been cloning themselves for millions of years totally, breaking the rules of evolution. And now for the celebrity of self-cloning, the immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii. When this jellyfish gets old or stressed, it doesn't die. It reverts back to its baby polyp stage and starts its life cycle all over again, budding off new, identical clones. Its biological immortality. Water fleas or Daphnia are also strategic cloners. When the living is easy and food is plentiful, they pop out clones like there's no tomorrow. But when times get hard, they switch to sexual reproduction to create tougher offspring. Back on land, we have the New Mexico whiptail. This lizard is a natural hybrid of two different species. Because of its mixed-up genetics, it can only reproduce by cloning. Every single one is a female, a perfect copy of her mother. Finally, the most bizarre of all, the Amazon molly. This all-female fish species needs to mate with a male from a related species, but it's a trick. She uses his sperm only to trigger the egg's development. She doesn't use any of his DNA, and the babies are perfect clones of her. It's like stealing the spark of life without any of the commitment. So, which of these self-cloning animals blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you love learning about nature's weirdest secrets, make sure to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.